Hi guys, this is Ashwin. In this video we are going to solve the problem beautiful triplets. Given a sequence of integers a triplet a of I, a of j, a of k is beautiful if I less than j, j less than k, a of j minus I equals a of k minus j equals d. Given an increasing sequence of integers and a value of d, count the number of beautiful triplets in the sequence. Let's see an example. Here this is the array sequence. See, it is keep on increasing and this is not 2, this is 1. There are 3 beautiful triplets by index. So 1, 2, 3 means 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1, 2, 3 is a beautiful triplet. Like that we need to find the number of triplets in the array. Let's see some other example. Here this is the array sequence and the beautiful number is 3. So 1, 4, 7 is one of the triplet and 4, 7, 10, 2, 5, 8 with a difference of 3, that is the beautiful number. Let's solve the problem. First we need to import counter module from collections import counter. Now we need to create a hash map m equals counter of array initialize count equals 0 to count the triplets. After that iterate the numbers in the array for num in array. Check for the condition if m of num plus d and m of num plus d plus d. What this condition does is, it takes a number from the array. Let's take the number as 1. D is 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. It checks 4 is present in the array. Num plus d is 1 plus 3 plus 3, that is 7. It checks 7 is present in the array or not. If both the numbers are present, it means we have a beautiful triplet. We increment the count by 1. Finally, return the result. Return count. Let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.